Isang matinding sagupaan ang aking nasaksihan sa may Santa Maria, Bulacan. Punong-puno ng tao ang historical plaza ng Santa Maria dahil sa semifinals ng kanilang town fiesta. Mas lalo pang ang gumanda ang laban dahil naglalaro sila Orin Katakutan, Lawrence Malyari at mga bigating imports ng Panalay. Matinding matchup ni Kenneth Umba at Marcus Elliott with a double T na isang international player. Samahan mo pa yan ng powerhouse center sa si Mamadou Torre at Freeman. Medyo kakaiba nga lang dito, Masters, dahil kahit puno ng highlights ang game ay medyo mild at pigil ang cheer ng crowd. Siguro dahil bawal masyadong maingay dito dahil nga nasa tapat ng simbahan. Ngunit pa man, nung umabot na sa dulo ay talagang uminit at nagsimula ng mabuhay ang crowd. Ang tindi ng baka na ito, mga Masters, sana tapusin nyo hanggang dulo. Pero bago pa yan, huwag nyong kalimutan mag-follow at i-share ang video na to. Yo, what up mga Masters? The Whistle here. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Santa Maria, Bulacan para saksihan yung semifinals ng Interbarangay nila rito. So mga Master, na-invite ako dito dahil meron akong client, si Kenneth Umba, yan, si Black Mamba. So na-invite ako dito para mag-shoot sa kanya. Ako, napakaganda ng lugar dito sa may Santa Maria dahil sa tapat siya ng very historic na church dito. And then yung court nila nandoon. So tara mga Master, samahan ninyo ako. Magandang bakbakan to. Let's go! I got Marcus Elliott, aking tropa from Team Aces. Dito kami nagkita. On the other side, Kenneth Umba. Here, 12 Cafe. Labanan nila itong bagbagin. Twice to beat sila. Garchi Ferrer in the house. Then Birds Isuga. Here we go. Start of the first quarter. Marcus nagdadala ng bola. They give it to Malyari. Malyari, Pinoy step. It's good. Wouldn't get it. Marcus Elliott, binalikan yun, natapikan. And eto na, Kenneth Umba with a jam. The ball game. And here we go, Jervs with a floater. Eto na, Kuya Jervs, the legend of Santa Maria. Kuya Jervs, daming dinaanan nun doon. Eto na naman si Kuya Jervs, batang-bata. Kuya Jervs. There was a down foul. With the ball here. Kenneth hesitates, takes a jumper there. Marcus gives it to Malyari, no. 0-0, rebounds and he gets it to go. And they're going inside to Mamadou. Mamadou with an easy two. And Bagbagin gives in Malyari for the three. And number 29, they give it to Soriano. Bang! Marcus pushing it, na open doon. And dunks it up. Kenneth Umba. Kenneth Umba attacking Marcus Elliott with a floater.
Kenneth Umba.
Great defense but better offense there. Orin Katakutan. Orin steps back and takes a three. Gets it. Loses the ball. And eto na, Bagbagin. Malyari will dunk it. There you go. Eto na naman, Marcus Elliott. Marcus Elliott, iniwan niya si Mamadou Ron. We're back to the ball game. It's the second quarter rather. Umba attacks it. Bang!
Kenneth Umba.
Woo! Dump Umba again. Kenneth steps back against. Oh! What a great step back move there by Kenneth Umba. Kenneth Umba dancing. Kenneth Umba. Oh! Kenneth Umba. They have other options to go inside. Eto na, Orin with a nice move. Woo! So they gonna go inside. Mamadou sinubungan. He was booked. Kenneth steps back, passes it. No foul there. And susubok, gives it to Malyari again. Malyari with an easy. Easy side steps there. We're back to the ball game here. Third quarter, Marcus Elliott. Woo! For somebody.
10 seconds shot clock.
Pagkagawa si Fernandez, iniwan ang kanyang bantay. Fernandez, may behind. Whoa! Kenneth Umba, bumubuelo. Kenneth! Binali pa yon.
Umba. Running.
Technical foul daw.
No.
Woo!
Umba.
Marcus being guarded by Umba. Ooh! Woo! Binulag siya ni Marcus Elliott there. Marcus Elliott with a nice pass. Saktong-sakto yun kay Malyari from Marcus Elliott. Opya. And there you go. Orin with a three. Orin, bam. Kanina pa, nagkakainitan to, ang dalawang to. Orin is just smiling. Medyo mainit si Soriano. Si Aquino. Katakutan again. He's being defended here. Stops it. Nagkakainitan dito. Bam. Ngingitian lang sila ni Orin dito. Orin is having fun. Eto na naman. Bam, and the crowd is happy and the refs have called it. Pinalit si Umba. Si Umba naman daw ang susubo kay Orin. Inayawan. Oh! Ganun lang daw, basic yun. And here we go, they're gonna push. Oh, naiwan doon si Marcus! Nadapa ron si Marcus. And here we go, Kenneth with a Pinoy step. Woo! Takes a three. Oh, Mamadou is there. No foul there. What a great pass there. And Marcus hesitates. Oh!
Marcus Elliott.
Grabe yung control doon ni Marcus. Kenneth Umba now. Takes a trip. Elliott.
Marcus Elliott.
Oh. He was blocked there by Freeman. Couldn't connect here. They have to make something. Ooh. Remaining and a 6-point lead lang. 82-88.
Elliott.
Grabe yun. Marcus Elliott throws it up. Ori! That's it. And ayan, kinakabahan yung may mga plus dito. So, 5 seconds remaining and they're gonna foul there. Medyo kinabahan yung may mga plus doon.